Welcome to Amsterdam, a city where history whispers from gabled houses and modernity hums along bustling canals. This is a place where every cobblestone tells a story, and every bridge offers a new perspective. Prepare to be captivated by its unique blend of old-world charm and vibrant contemporary life. Amsterdam is a city defined by its waterways, a labyrinth of canals that weave through its heart. These historic arteries are lined with elegant merchant houses, reflecting centuries of rich heritage. The city's iconic canals are more than just picturesque. They are the very soul of Amsterdam. Here the bicycle reigns supreme, a symbol of sustainable living and effortless exploration. Thousands of bikes flow through the streets, creating a dynamic and lively rhythm. This is a city that invites you to slow down, breathe it all in, and discover its magic at your own pace. Join us as we embark on a cinematic journey through Amsterdam, a destination that promises unforgettable experiences. Get ready to explore its iconic landmarks, immerse yourself in its vibrant culture, and savor its delightful culinary scene. This is Amsterdam, waiting to be discovered. Our journey begins at the majestic Rijksmuseum, a treasure trove of Dutch art and history. This grand institution houses masterpieces that define an era. Step inside and be transported to the Golden Age. Here, you'll stand before the works of Dutch masters, including Rembrandt's monumental The Night Watch. Each brushstroke tells a tale of artistic genius and historical significance. The Rijksmuseum is an essential pilgrimage for any art lover. Just a short distance away lies the Van Gogh Museum, a vibrant tribute to one of the world's most beloved artists. Immerse yourself in the vivid colors and emotional depth of Vincent van Gogh's creations. His unique vision continues to inspire millions. From his early somber works to his iconic sunflowers and starry nights, the museum offers a profound insight into his life and artistic evolution. It's a truly moving experience that connects you directly with his genius. The Van Gogh Museum is a testament to the enduring power of art. For a moment of profound reflection, we visit the Anne Frank House. This poignant museum offers a powerful glimpse into a dark chapter of history. It serves as a solemn reminder of resilience and hope. Walking through the secret annex, you feel the weight of history and the enduring spirit of a young girl. The Anne Frank House is a vital educational experience, urging us to remember and learn. It is a place of quiet contemplation and deep respect. Next, behold the regal elegance of the Royal Palace in Dam Square. This magnificent building, once the City Hall, now serves as a ceremonial palace for the Dutch Royal House. Its classical architecture commands attention. The Royal Palace stands as a testament to Amsterdam's historical prominence and architectural grandeur. Its opulent interiors and rich history offer a fascinating insight into Dutch royalty. It is a symbol of national pride. These landmarks collectively emphasize Amsterdam's rich and complex history. From artistic brilliance to wartime resilience and royal heritage, the city's past is palpable. Every corner reveals another layer of its captivating story. Venture into the charming Jordaan neighborhood, a labyrinth of narrow streets, picturesque canals, and hidden courtyards. This former working-class district is now one of Amsterdam's most sought-after areas. It exudes a bohemian charm. The Jordaan is perfect for leisurely strolls, discovering independent boutiques and enjoying cozy cafes. Its unique atmosphere and historic brown cafes invite you to linger. This neighborhood truly captures the essence of local life. Escape the urban bustle in the lush greenery of Vondelpark, Amsterdam's largest and most famous park. It's a beloved oasis for locals and visitors alike. Here you can relax, picnic, or simply enjoy the vibrant outdoor scene. Vondelpark hosts open-air concerts and performances during warmer months, adding to its lively ambiance. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely bike ride or a refreshing walk. The park offers a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city. Experience the vibrant energy of the Albert Kuip Market, one of Europe's largest and busiest outdoor markets. This bustling marketplace offers an incredible array of goods. It's a sensory feast for all who visit. From fresh produce and local delicacies to clothing and souvenirs, the market has something for everyone. The lively atmosphere is infectious, with vendors calling out their wares and shoppers browsing with enthusiasm. It's a true slice of Amsterdam life. The Albert Kuip Market is also a culinary hotspot, offering a chance to sample authentic Dutch street food. Indulge in freshly made stroopwafels or try a traditional herring sandwich. The market is a paradise for foodies. For a truly unique perspective of the city, embark on a scenic canal cruise. Glide along the historic waterways, passing under charming bridges and alongside elegant canal houses. It's a relaxing and informative way to see Amsterdam. A canal cruise offers unparalleled views of the city's iconic architecture and hidden gems. Learn about Amsterdam's history and its unique relationship with water. It's an essential experience for any visitor. Finally, immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and fragrant scents of the flower market, the Bloemenmarkt. This floating market is a spectacle of blooms, from traditional Dutch tulips to exotic plants. It's a feast for the eyes. The flower market is a perfect place to pick up a beautiful bouquet or some tulip bulbs to take home. It's a testament to the Netherlands' deep connection with floriculture. The Bloemenmarkt is a truly delightful experience. As dusk settles, Amsterdam transforms, revealing its energetic nightlife. The city comes alive with a vibrant buzz, offering endless possibilities for evening entertainment. From cozy pubs to lively clubs, there's something for every taste. Experience the vibrant atmosphere of Leidseplein, one of Amsterdam's most popular entertainment squares. This bustling hub is surrounded by theaters, music venues, and a wide array of restaurants and bars. It's a perfect starting point for a night out. Leidseplein is always buzzing with activity, attracting both locals and tourists. Enjoy live music, catch a show, or simply soak in the lively ambiance. The square offers a dynamic and unforgettable evening experience. Just a short stroll away, you'll find Rembrandtplein, another lively square known for its diverse entertainment options. This square is home to numerous cafes, clubs, and a famous statue of Rembrandt himself. It's a popular spot for late-night revelry. Rembrandtplein offers a mix of sophisticated lounges and energetic dance clubs. Whether you're looking for a quiet drink or a night of dancing, this square delivers. It's a vibrant testament to Amsterdam's diverse nightlife. Amsterdam's culinary scene is a delightful journey, blending traditional Dutch flavors with international influences. Prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable gastronomic adventure. The city offers a feast for every palate. Begin with the warm, sweet embrace of a freshly made stroopwafel. These thin, caramel-filled waffle cookies are a quintessential Dutch treat. Enjoy them warm, straight from the griddle for an authentic experience. Next, savor the fluffy, bite-sized goodness of poffertjes. These miniature pancakes, dusted with powdered sugar and served with butter, are a beloved comfort food. They are a delightful indulgence, perfect for any time of day. For a taste of the sea, try fresh herring, a traditional Dutch delicacy. Often served with onions and pickles, it's a unique and surprisingly delicious experience. Don't be shy, embrace this local favorite. Beyond these traditional delights, Amsterdam boasts a thriving modern fine dining scene. Innovative chefs are pushing culinary boundaries, creating exquisite dishes with global influences. The city is a hub for gastronomic innovation. From Michelin-starred restaurants to trendy eateries, Amsterdam offers a diverse array of dining experiences. Explore international cuisines, fusion dishes, and creative interpretations of classic flavors. The culinary landscape is truly exciting. Amsterdam's diverse culinary scene reflects its multicultural identity. You'll find everything from Indonesian rijsttafel to Surinamese roti, alongside classic Dutch fare. Every meal is an opportunity for discovery. When it comes to accommodation, Amsterdam offers a range of options to suit every style and preference. From charming boutique hotels to luxurious canal-side retreats, your stay will be as memorable as your explorations. Discover stylish boutique hotels nestled in historic buildings, offering unique character and personalized service. These intimate establishments provide a cozy and authentic Amsterdam experience. They are perfect for discerning travelers. For an unparalleled experience, consider the luxurious canal-side accommodations. Imagine waking up to views of tranquil waterways and historic gabled houses. These hotels offer elegance and serenity in the heart of the city. Whether you choose a chic design hotel or a grand historic property, Amsterdam ensures a comfortable and memorable stay. The city's hospitality is as charming as its canals. Your perfect retreat awaits. Throughout your journey, you'll find that Amsterdam is a city designed for discovery. Every street, every bridge, and every neighborhood offers a new perspective. The city's layout makes exploration effortless and rewarding. Amsterdam is a place where history seamlessly meets modern living. Ancient canals flow alongside contemporary architecture, and historic markets thrive next to cutting-edge art galleries. It's a city that constantly evolves while honoring its past. As the sun sets over the canals, casting a golden glow on the historic buildings, Amsterdam reveals its most breathtaking beauty. The city lights twinkle, reflecting on the water, creating a magical ambiance. It's a moment of pure enchantment. This is Amsterdam, a city that invites you to explore, to savor, and to fall in love. Discover its vibrant culture, its rich history, and its endless charm. Your adventure begins now. Discover Amsterdam, where history meets modern living.